So how do you turn on Bluetooth on the AirPods Max? Let's get into it and let's explain how it works. So naturally, the AirPods use Bluetooth for the connection, but there is no such thing as a Bluetooth button or a switch on the AirPods. The way that it works is that you just need to ensure that the AirPods are properly charged and that they have enough power. And once you take them out of the smart case, meaning you open it up, you release the magnets, take the AirPods out, and this just means that the Bluetooth connection is turned on. Bluetooth on the AirPods is just looking for devices to be paired with, and that is the only way how you can enable Bluetooth. It's not like, as I say, there is no switch to enable or turn off the Bluetooth connection. If you don't see your AirPods on any other device, you can just hold down on the longer button on the side, right? So you can initiate the pairing process. Just pay attention to the LED light on the bottom, which will indicate what's going on. Naturally, when the white light is blinking, it just means that the AirPods are in the pairing mode, and that just means that you can bring your devices closer and establish a proper connection. So that's how you can connect them, that's how you can reset it. But I just wanted to make this video to explain, because there are a lot of people wondering how you can turn on or off the Bluetooth on the AirPods Max, but it's just not a case. It's not how it really works. You have to just take them out of the smart cover, and that's how you turn on Bluetooth. So that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up if you found this very quick video informative, and subscribe for more so you never miss videos like this one. Thank you for watching.